Understanding the phrase, "I miss the old you." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in conversations, songs, or movies. I miss the old you. This expression holds a lot of emotions and meanings, and understanding it can enrich your English communication skills. Let's explore what it really means and how you can use it effectively. I miss the old you is a phrase that combines nostalgia, emotion, and personal relationships. It's used when someone feels that a person they are close to has changed in a way that they don't appreciate or feel comfortable with. The word miss indicates a feeling of longing or wishing for something that is no longer present or available. By saying, "the old you," the speaker refers to the person's previous behavior, personality, or attitude that they preferred or felt more connected to. This phrase is often used in personal conversations between friends, family members, or romantic partners. It's important to use it sensitively because it can convey feelings of disappointment or loss. Here are some contexts where it might be appropriate. Reflecting on personal growth or changes. When discussing how someone has evolved over time, this phrase can express a sense of nostalgia for past behaviors or traits. During conflicts or misunderstandings, it can highlight how changes in behavior or attitude have affected a relationship. In moments of emotional vulnerability, when people feel disconnected from those they care about, this phrase can express a desire to reconnect with the aspects of the person they felt closest to. It's crucial to understand the emotional depth of, "I miss the old you." It's not just about missing someone's past self. It's about expressing a sense of loss and longing for a connection that feels altered or diminished. This phrase can be both a reflection on the changes in the relationship and a plea for understanding or return to previous dynamics. When using it, be prepared for a deep and potentially difficult conversation, as it might prompt discussions about personal growth, choices, and the nature of the relationship itself. "I miss the old you" is a powerful phrase that encapsulates feelings of nostalgia, loss, and longing for what used to be in a relationship. Understanding and using this phrase with care can add depth to your English conversations, especially when discussing changes in personal relationships. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and connecting with others. We hope this video has been informative and helps you navigate the complexities of English emotional expressions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.